Hello students, how are you? We are going to start Unit 2 Olympic Value Education Part 4. International Olympic Committee. The body that governs the Olympic Games is the International Olympic Committee. It was created by Pierre Baron de Coubertin on 23 June 1894. Greek Dimitris Vikals was its first president. Its membership consists of 105 active members and 32 honorary members. The IOC organizes the modern Olympic Games held in summer and winter every 4 years. The first Summer Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in 1896 and Winter Olympic Games were held in Chamonix, France in 1924. The first member Youth Olympics were held in Singapore in 2010 and Winter Youth Olympics were held in Innsbruck in 2012. Members of the committee. IOC consists of members from the various countries which constitutes President, Vice President, Secretary General, Executive Board. President of the IOC is elected by members for a term of 8 years and can be re-elected after completion of term. Vice Presidents are elected by members for a term of 4 years and can be re-elected. Executive Board. The Executive Board consists of the President, 4 Vice President and 10 other members are elected through election. Functions and role of the International Olympic Committee. First one is decides by committee the date and place of the Olympics will be organized. Second, to encourage and support measures protecting the health of athletes. Third, to encourage and support the development of sports for all. Fourth, it ensures the regular conduct of the Olympic Games. Fifth, to encourage and support initiatives blending sports with culture and education. It leads the fight against doping in sports. Next, Indian Olympic Association. It is governing body of sports in India that was formed in 1927. Sir Drabji Jamsetji Tata and Dr. Norton becomes the founder, president and secretary general respectively of Indian Olympic Association. In 1928, Sir Drabji Jamsetji Tata resigned from the post of president of IOA. The election of the office bearers of the IOA is held after every 4 years. Objectives of IOA. First one is development and promoting of the Olympic movement and amateur sports. Second, the official organization in complete and sole charge of all Olympic matters in the counter. Third, to take disciplinary action against any federation for misbehavior or any other undesirable activity bringing discredit to the counter. Fourth, in enforcing the defending the exclusive right of the association to use the Olympic flag. Fifth, encouragement of the office, physical, moral, and cultural education of the young people of the nation. Their character can be developed. Okay, thanks to all.